Closing arguments are now complete in a major Missouri abortion rights trial after 2.5 weeks of testimony.
At issue is whether Missouri can continue enforcing abortion laws passed before voters amended the state constitution to protect abortion access. Our political editor, Mark Maxwell, is monitoring this high-stakes legal battle. Mark.
Yeah, Kelly and Mike, Missouri voters already approved new abortion protections in 2024, but the big question now, the question before a judge, is whether existing state laws that were already on the books will still fit within these new constitutional limits that voters approved. Critics of those abortion restrictions call them trap laws designed to exhaust these abortion clinics. During the trial, we heard from abortion providers and legal experts arguing that Missouri's abortion restrictions function as an effective ban in practice, even after voters already amended the Constitution. The state argued, no, those laws are legitimate health and safety regulations designed to protect patients. A judge has temporarily blocked some of them, allowing limited abortion services to continue, even while the courts consider whether these laws violate the new Constitution. Now, just moments ago, abortion providers and a spokeswoman with the ACLU of Missouri addressed reporters outside the courthouse in Kansas City where this case is being argued.
What Missouri voters put into our Constitution just over a year ago, which is that abortion is health care. Abortion is safe, and everyone in Missouri deserves to have safe, effective, and necessary reproductive health care. I think the most important thing to remember with the trap laws is they are barriers in place specifically targeting abortion facilities. And what abortion healthcare centers will have, if those are struck down, is the same regulation as any other medical office where these procedures can safely be done. So we're not asking for anything more or less than anyone else. We want these health centers to be treated the exact same way as other health centers.
Again, that reaction just coming into our newsroom moments ago. We have reached out to the Attorney General, have not yet heard from them as they just finished making their closing arguments. Now this case in the judge's hands. We expect a ruling could come in the next few weeks. Whichever way the initial ruling goes, the losing side here almost certain to seek an appeal.
Okay, so as we wait, what happens next, Mark?
That's the interesting thing here. Beyond the courtroom where this legal fight is kind of dragging down, the political fight is already speeding forward. Missouri Republicans who oppose abortion, they've already organized this campaign to put another measure, another question back on your ballot in November of this year that would ask you to repeal the abortion protections Missouri voters approved 2 years prior. It includes these requirements that parents must get consent for minors to get an abortion, and it spells out a specific ban on gender transition procedures for minors. But it also clearly states on the top, after courts intervened, it said approving this amendment will repeal the abortion amendment voters just wrote into the Constitution in 2024.